Buksan mo. Tignan ko.
My turn.
Kasya sa'yo, para makita ko.
Kuya David,
Sino nagbigay?
From Sarah and Seth.
Wow.
What is this? T-shirt?
Two front wheels? Ano ba ito?
Wow, Dave.
Backrest,
Let me see.
two front wheels.
Wow, polo. Okay, next.
No more. I have one more. My exchange gift.
Okay,
It looks like a bottle.
okay. Open it.
Let's go.
I win.
Open it. Who gave it to you?
But no, I got the exchange gift from Byron. Yeah.
From Byron? Eh, baka maganda yan. Oh, it's nice. It's a nice tumbler. What is it?
There's a price. It's 79 cents. How? 97 cents, cheaters. 97 cents. Cheating.
Sino nag-give niyan?
I want them.
Sabi mo kay Tita Marisa. Oo. Open one gift here.
Oh wait, this is yours. I think. And this one's mine.
Oh, ayan. Sa iba yan?
Yeah.
Sino
Is
yan?
that right here, Isaac?
To Isaac?
Yeah, from the Adrianos.
Oh, okay.
Wait, let me guess what it is.
To Isaac? To Isaac lang?
Mommy, can I open Manny and Ivy's? David, that one's yours, I think.
Tignan ko nga yan, ha? Baka
This is
nagkamali
for
sila.
Manny Livermonte. It's mine, I think. Because it says right here, Isaac. This is Manny.
Money, eh. Sige, open mo.
Really? Do you think this is for
It
Dad?
doesn't.
Then why does it have my name on it? Tita Ivy!
Wait lang. Doon muna si kuya muna. Open mo yan.
Okay. I'm going next. Wait, let me guess what it is. Go first. I'm going to go guess what that thing is.
Yan na, bilisan mo. Nak, sarado mo nga yung banyo. Please, mabaho, nak.
I think this is like a
Babe.
bookshelf or something. I think this is like a chessboard.
Sige na, buksan mo.
Like a glass chessboard.
Eh, isa pa isa.
It's heavy. Where's Mom? Oh, it is.
No, close that
Oh,
thing.
I'm right.
Wow! Oh, it's for you and David.
David has one too, I think.
No, wala na.
Watch, open it. Try it. David, open it. This one? No, that one.
Oh.
I bet you it's for David.
Oh, daddy, oh. Look mo yung bigay ni,
I
Adriana.
bet you it's for David.
No, that's for mommy and daddy.
Really?
For both of you?
Yeah. Look at that. Race car. Yeah, that's for David. Don't mine.
Let me see. Wow, it's yours. Nga, babe. Nagkamali lang ng name, ano?
Ano nakalagay?
Manny, and then on the top of mine is Isaac.
Diyan sa kanya.
Nothing. Just Manny. Mom, I want you to do the honors. Here,
What's
I'll take
this?
a video.
What's this? Okay. From Tito Sunny, Tita Jackie, Sarah Seth, and Tita Lani. Timani and Ivory.
How there Tito and Tita? You're older than them.
No.
Who?
Oh, it's a
Tita
candle
Sunny and
set.
Tita Chen.
Very nice. Okay.
Still assembling.
Oh.
Which car? Mom,
Oh,
open another can.
isang blue na yan. The blue one.
This one?
What's this?
That's for you and Daddy.
From Byron and Trisha, Tito Manny and Tita Ivy.
I bet you this one is popcorn.
Okay. From Byron and Trisha,
Bali nak, maganda naman ang gift nila sa inyo na ano.
Good, that's good. What is it, Mom? What is
I
it?
don't know yet.
Ay, wait.
That's my
Mami, hindi ko na maintindihan yung yes no nila. Ang tanga-tanga naman, Luis. Sino mo? May yes no. Ano yung isang yun?
Wait lang. Oh, it's a frame.
Hmm?
It's a frame.
Where? David, it's only 2 AA batteries. Cool. For the remote?
Spring. When spring arrives, many come in bloom in different ways as the flowers petals to the lake.
Okay. Mom, open.
Wait lang. Could you put
Okay,
it back?
let me and Kuya do this one.
Which
This
one?
says and family.
Who's that one from?
Well, come on. We open this one because
Sino yung nagbigay?
she hears you. I know it's popcorn.